Today on Designing Spaces, we will travel to Venice, Florida to meet with the Keating family. They've been experiencing backups in their sewer pipes and are in need of a rapid and affordable solution.
My name is Patrick Keating. I live here in Venice, Florida with my wife, Teresa. We moved here a little over a year ago. We're originally from New Jersey, but now that we're here, we're having some issues with this lovely house that we bought that happens to be older, built in 1959. Problem we experienced was there's a crack in one of the pipes, which caused a backup in our bathroom, which brought a lot of unpleasant sewage in with it and flooded our bedroom, got into the walls, destroyed the floor. That meant several months of demolding the house, expensive reconstruction. They relined the main pipe down the center of the house. Unfortunately for us, another section of pipe outside the house that goes all the way to the street eventually failed. And now we're gonna have them here to reline everything. They're going to do the permaliner, which I did a lot of research online with Google and YouTube, and after looking at several options and what they suggested, it's the best option to go with.
The Permaliner certified installer has already visited the Keatings property and assessed the damage of the pipe by using HD cameras to take a closer look at the interior condition of the pipe and decide the best method of rehabilitation. Nathan Bogard is a lead field instructor and technician at Permaliner and is overseeing the CIPP installation today at the Keatings home.
Prior to today, we came out to find there was root intrusion inside of the line. It had 80% blockage. We're here today to clear the lateral and then install the new CIPP liner. We'll start out getting the measurements, and then from there we'll lay the liner out, set it all up. We'll get it wet out with the two-part epoxy. We're going to use the heat assist today, which is the Stinger cure system. And from there we will install the line, cure it, and we'll be in and out in about 3 hours.
While Nathan and his team work on finishing the CIPP installation at the Keatings home, we're meeting with Permaliner expert Morgan Deach to learn more about the technology behind their Trenchless systems.
This technology is a shared patented process through LMK Technologies, allowing the certified installer to line the host pipe, the original host pipe, directly through the cleanout. So there is no digging, there is no double access points needed. You can line the entire pipe directly through the cleanout, making this a true zero-dig technology. What you can see right here is the old cast iron pipe. This would be a PVC pipe for a sample. And then what you see right here, this ivory colored lining material, is the end result. This is the actual cured sample. The inside is jointless, seamless, so there will be no backups, there's no root penetration, there will be absolutely nothing that can affect this interior of the pipe.
After just 3 hours, the Permaliner team has completed the CIPP installation process, and the Keatings failing pipes are officially up and running.
Hi Patrick, we're all done. Would you like to come take a look at it?
Already? Yeah, absolutely.
So I brought you out here, Patrick. I wanted to show you what the final product looks like now that we're done lining. No more joints, anywhere for the roots to intrude again. You should be good from here on out. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you. It looks excellent. So I'm really happy. It's only been a few hours. They've got everything done. No problems to the house or anything. It looks great. And by the time my wife gets home from work, her house will be fixed, beautiful, and she'll never even know that anybody was here doing anything. I couldn't be happier.
Are you in need of a quick and affordable solution to replace your broken or root-infested sewer pipes? Go to permaliner.com to learn more about their zero-dig CIPP installation method.